Are you still eating paper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Can you say Zoe?
Bye.
Bye. Can you say bye, Zoe?
Bye. Bye.
Bye who?
Bye.
Bye, Zoe.
Bye.
Bye, Zoe.
Please.
Are you cleaning like your cousin Gigi?
Gigi.
Who? Can you say Gigi?
Gigi.
Can you say Zoe?
No, okay.
You can't. Can you? Do you want to go to the park?
Don't mind.
Oh.
Bobo. Bobo. Bobo.
Who's Bobo?
Bobo.
Where's Seth?
Yeah.
Where's Seth?
Daddy.
Daddy. Where's Daddy? Seth. Are you eating paper now? Zoe, that's disgusting. Why are you listening to him? He doesn't even know what he's talking about. That's disgusting.
Oh, no.
Is that yummy? You're teaching the doggies bad habits.
Oh.
Are you getting all of your nutrients from the bleach?
Oh.
Yes? Come here. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. You can't eat toilet paper.